If you've been following along, you know we've been traveling the country in our Airstream, visiting national and state parks, and stopping to do some fun things along the way. Today, we're playing golf near Washington, D.C. at the Army-Navy Country Club. It's our true honor to participate in a great cause, Homes for Our Troops. Come along and join us in raising money for these disabled American heroes. Let's build some houses.
So tell me a little bit about Homes for Troops and what makes it different than other military charities.
Yeah, Homes for Our Troops is a nationwide nonprofit. We're in our 16th year.
Wow.
And we build specially adapted, mortgage-free homes for the most severely wounded 9/11 veterans of this long global war on terrorism. And to date, we've built over 305 homes. We call our mission Building Homes, Rebuilding Lives. What makes us different, we spend a lot of time giving them financial guidance, how to own a home. And then when we hand the keys to them, I always say on behalf of the American people, when we hand those keys to those young men and women, they own the home. They don't have a mortgage. And so we stay with them for 10 years. And they're part of our family. Our family keeps growing and growing, and so we never leave them.
These homes are all over the country?
We've built in 44 states.
Okay.
305 homes to date. I've got 95 young men and women right now on our list to have homes built. And we've got 44 in progress across 36 states today.
Well, that's
fantastic. We're proud of the American people for helping us. To be able to hand the keys that the American people said, we want you to have this house, is probably the most important thing and most rewarding thing I get to do. Today we're doing a golf tournament here in Army-Navy Country Club in Washington, D.C. It's our third one. So we've got 74 golfers out here today to, meet some of our wounded veterans who've already received homes, or a couple of them are in the process of getting their homes. So you get to see them, play with them, hear their stories, and so we're really excited about doing it. It's kind of chilly day, but we'll be okay.
It's all right. Well, we sure appreciate your efforts, and this is a wonderful cause, and we're really looking forward to it.
Well, thanks for joining us today. HFOTUSA.org.
Okay.
HFOTUSA.org, and if you do nothing else, read the story of our veterans.
Okay.
You don't have to donate, we'd like you to, but just read the stories of our veterans, and if that doesn't make you proud to be an American, I don't know what will.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I find that I'm always having to make amends for shortcomings, trying to make my way, knocking on every door in this maze. The times it's all out of reach, soldier on, when it's harder to...
On behalf of all of Homes for Our Troops, and especially Tim McHale and his crowd at the Army Distaff Foundation, welcome to the 3rd annual Camaraderie Classic here at Army-Navy Country Club.
I do believe that if someone is willing to pay all their dues, there's almost no end to what can be won one day. You gotta choose. The times it's all out of reach, soldier on, when it's harder to learn than to teach, soldier on.
We haven't had a draft since 1973. So all of these guys and gals, all of them raised their right hand and volunteered to serve. And they all went downrange, and in the blink of an eye, their lives and their families' lives changed forever. And they sacrificed a lot of their freedom and independence downrange for us. They can no longer do the normal things day to day that we all take for granted, from getting a glass of water to taking a shower. And it also increases the burden and stress on spouse, caregivers, and family members trying to do those kinds of things. So these homes are designed, they're single story, about 2,800 square feet. They're 4-bedroom, 2-bath, energy efficient homes. They're designed specifically to restore that freedom and independence.
So how can people across the country most help this effort?
3 best ways for you to help us. First, if a veteran is living in your community, wrap your arms around them. Welcome that veteran because they asked to live there. The second thing is help us with awareness. We don't spend a lot on advertising. Since 2004, when we were founded, almost 90 cents of every dollar has gone to our WOUND program. If you have the ability to fundraise or donate, wonderful. You can do that off our website as well. And volunteer. You can always volunteer at the different events as we come into the different neighborhoods.
All right, well, thank you so much. Appreciate your time today on such a wonderful cause, and we've had a great time here today.
Super. Thanks for coming out.
Daner's a retired 3-star from the Air Force. We don't hold that against him. He plays in our group out here when we play. General Campbell, come here a second, sir. John, come here. You got to meet some friends. This is the Martins. This is.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing? John Campbell was the commanding general in Afghanistan.
Okay.
Was the vice chief of staff of the Army, and is an okay guy if you really want to know.
Cut. Let's help these American heroes build some houses. Check out the links below to make a donation or volunteer on the next build in your community. And don't forget to subscribe to see our next adventure.